Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair these Sony earbuds with your MacBook. So to do this we have to first of all remove them from this charging case. And then we have to use these touch control panels and click and hold them until you hear this notification that the Bluetooth is in the pairing mode. So let's do this right now. I'm gonna click and hold and put one of them to the ear, the left one. Keep holding. Okay, I cannot hear anything, so let's repeat. Let's release the touch control panel and then do this one more time. I'm gonna put both earbuds to my ears. Okay, right now I can hear that sound. Unfortunately, of these earbuds we cannot find any indicator, so in the most cases we can find indicator that is blinking white, blue or red and blue. But here there's only notification sound, and take a look, when I hold them for like a few seconds on my phone, that's the information that I can pair them. So it means that they are visible to other devices. Right now we can simply go to the system settings on our MacBook, go for the Bluetooth, click on the switcher, and select WF-1000XM4 from the list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And the last option that you can check, open the sound settings, go for the output and the input, and be sure that the Sony are selected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.